Whoa, what is that? Air? BMRA looks good. Testing resistance. Air. Beyond air. That's a funny stock. Where's Troy? Hey guys. Hi Dave. Mo. Hello. 67. Arise. Perfect. Hello Ryan. How are you? Hello. I was supposed to have lunch, but then I just finished another call, so then I just decided to grab a granola bar instead. Doing all right. Another busy Monday at work. Okay, sounds good. You've missed a lot of chaos, Ryan. No lunch, Mohammed. No lunch. Well, I left for 3 hours. I had three calls to do so. That's funny, Ryan. I will. 2024, I will have lunch. This is why I hate eating on stream, because then I would never talk. because it takes me forever. Exactly right. Hmm. Anyways, I know. Yeah, no, it's just too. Yeah, today was an exception though. It was good, Vina. It was good. How was yours? So crazy day, like Singh said. Well, not way too many, but a good amount of plays today actually. Not something that I was expecting. I was expecting a fun morning, but then a slow afternoon. Today's been fun the entire day. Chaos. So BMRA had some news earlier today. FDA 510 clearance of one of the drugs, bacteria test, really doesn't matter. But the stock has done well. I like the little breakouts that it's had. So that's good. That still looks okay because it's retesting the highs. For now, I would let that thing break above 210, and even then, honestly, it has a supply zone at 220. So I would be careful with this one. ICCT is obviously something that a whole bunch of you guys have scalped multiple times today. Your next resistance is $2.30 already. So we've been pumping up the 200 right to $2.30. So if you're holding ICCT, which would have been nice if you picked up this double bottom, this was one of the on one of the one-on-one calls. The reason we have these arrows down there is because of something that we were talking about, right? So on one of the legend calls. So that's what we do on legend calls, guys, right? So if we see something good on a legend, not a legend call, sorry, on one of the goat calls, live one-on-one trading, right? So right there, that was a beautiful catch. Double bottom, back above the nine, chrono cross. Ooh wee, my goodness, was that thing fun? Was that stock fun? So if you're not a GOATS member, you're missing out on that part of it already. So for now, again, $2.30 for resistance. Not sure what's happening with this one though. XAIR, Beyond Air. Who the hell names a stock Beyond Air? I don't know who does that. But anyways, um, yeah, looks interesting. It doesn't have good volume though, so I would be careful with that already. And then PBLA has been fire. Even though it's dipping now, PBLA has been fire, right? So this is another one. Um, I think this was a complete different call. That was a triple bottom, right? A breakout. Look at that resistance on the left hand side. This is your double top on the left hand side. That's your breakout. That's your demand zone retest. This was fire, fire. That thing said bye. Hey bye. Hey bye. It's because they wanted to do what. Oh, from from $2 to $500. They wish the damn thing can't even move. So for now, I mean, this could be another retest actually for PBLA. If we can stay above $2.20, that's not too bad, right? If we can consolidate above 220, that might be another little scalpy, another play, right? So yeah, I remember Ryan. Yeah. That was fun, wasn't it? Lots of fun. Lots of fun. Mm. Every okay. Hmm, okay. Hmm, interesting. Hi Dan. Hiyo. Um Yeah, Ryan, and it's funny because we talked about that a lot today. Like, you don't want to be holding these companies because they eventually go to the abyss. Don't diamond hand them, you know. So again, with PBLA, watch for 120ish, 120, 122. You actually want it to stay above 122 just because it's the 200. So if we can start to consolidate here, maybe we have something going into the close. We have 40 minutes, 40 minutes before the market closes. So it would be nice to have a chaotic day, you know. It's been fun with these names. PBL has done well, 170%. That's fire, right? ICCT's done well, 34%, not too bad. BMRA has done really well, 100%, right? So it would be nice to get something going into the close. Thoughts on HSCS? I've been holding for 2 months. Clinical trial results. Okay, sounds good. Okay, sure. Let me look. HSCS. I mean, as long as it's coming, right? It's not a bad level. Like, as long as it stays above 15 cents, I don't mind, right? We've talked about this one in the past. That's why we had this little scribble on the left hand side. You bought at 25 cents, mm, danger, right? This is why I keep telling people to, if something doesn't look good, regardless of what everybody is saying, like, oh my goodness, FDA, 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 don't hold it. Because I promise you, so if you bought this thing at 25 cents, you bought right there, 25 cents, right? You might have bought earlier and then it went back up to 25 cents, right? Which is most likely what you did. If you bought it 2 months ago, you most likely bought there, right? If you bought that thing at 25 cents, imagine if you had a stop loss at imagine if you had a stop loss at I mean, let's even go, like, you could have a stop loss at 24, 23, 22. Imagine if you had a stop loss at 19.99, right? Well, and then you bought this thing back at 15 cents, right? Because it was consolidating. Well, if that thing went back up to 20 cents, you'd be back to break even. Whereas now you needed to go quite a bit higher, right? So there's nothing wrong with buying something and it breaking down and you selling it and then buying back lower, because this is a nice spot, isn't it? If it can stay above 15 cents. So use those stop losses, please. And I do hope the FDA thing comes though, because this would be a perfect W, right? That would be a sweet spot to go boom skis, 15 cents. Exactly, Ryan. Exactly. Exactly. Let me look at LMDX. I know you like that thing. It's like your favorite stock. Yeah. Like, you're doing exactly that at that support, and I think we've talked about this quite a few times because of you, right? So yeah, it's at a nice spot. It just has to hold it. So yeah, it doesn't look great, does it? But yeah, at least for now though, it's consolidating at the bottom. Yeah. Alrighty. ZVSA was the other one. West posted this one in Trade Ideas, and it's done really well. Looks like a head and shoulder though, West, doesn't it? At like 106. We'll see. Anyways, back to BMRA. It looks like it's kind of going to retest like it's trying to retest that 210 resistance, right? So um, uh, uh, and also it looks like ICCT is breaking above $2.30. PBLA. Oh, look at that, guys! Did we talk about PBLA, guys, at 20, $1.20? $1.20 PBLA. That's a nice retest, isn't it? Beautiful retest. Right off the 200. Ooh wee, nice pop. That would have been a nice catch. Anyways, we're back to 197% for PBLA. So we can now close the candle above $1.35. That would be cool. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Nvidia new highs of the day. Is that thing finally above 500 yet? Finally above 500. NVDA alerts. Wow, dang, beautiful. Um, and uh, no. Uh, Perfect. Uh, NVDA. Nothing seems to be breaking highs of the day yet, though. So for now, we wait. We wait. Question for you guys in the chat though. What's your favorite stock of the day? Like, what did you make the most monies in? What are you still holding? What's your number one stock for the day so far? Which one's been the nicest to you? Mm, CXDO. Yeah, you've liked that thing. It was good to you. Okay, very nice. Yeah, this one's had a really nice run today, Yogi. Very nice. Congratulations. Beautiful. Beautiful. And clouds, I'm glad you've been spamming that one. Dan, CL and NQ. Let's go. It had a lot. Yeah, that's been a good one for you, Doug. Love it. Love it. Love it. MES, Netflix, and Nvidia Virgo. Very nice. Meta call Remy. Okay, very nice. IVVD round trip. Okay. Yep. Yes. 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 Good job. Good job, Pepe. Good jobs. Good job. Good job. Uh, yeah, nothing else stands out for now, does it? Right, everything seems to still be in a bit of a range. I do kind of like what BMRA is doing there, though, just playing with resistance. But at the same time, if you're gonna play with that thing, it needs to break out, though, right? So, as much as it's sitting at the highs of the day, almost, it's still at resistance, right? Mullen, why did you short Mullen? That would be the only way that Mullen would be on the list. The only way. What's Nvidia looks good. My goodness, wow, dang. What's Mara at here? Mara is at $20. Wow, isn't that impressive? Dang. Just a month ago, we were talking about how Mara could not break. Mara kept playing with $10 and $10 and $10. Mara is at $20 now. Sheesh. Imagine if Bitcoin decides that, okay, you know what, we're gonna go boom skis. Like Bitcoin is only at Bitcoin is at. I switched my watch list back to the crypto watch list. Like Bitcoin is below $42,000. Right. I think that's the beauty of like Mara and these crypto names is even if crypto isn't doing anything, you have the benefit of like being in the bull market. And if the market is struggling, you have the if crypto is pumping, and then you get those benefits, right? So Bitcoin was pumping, Mara was pumping. Now Bitcoin isn't doing anything, but the market is pumping, Mara is still pumping, which is fire, which is fire, which is fire. I saw that 34. Good job, good job. A lot of profit taking for some of these larger cap names. Yeah, next year. Doesn't all crypto typically rally into that, Ryan? Yes, yeah, that would be the expectation. Yeah, yeah. So maybe we've seen the bottom for Mara, and all these other crypto names. Mara might never see $10 again unless something crazy happens. So I think the ETFs are coming in. So Q1 of 2024, I think that's when the BTC ETFs come out, and then at some point, like middle of the year, you have the chop chop, right? So crypto could have a lot of like potential catalyst coming up, so which is exciting. Every time Mullen, yeah, absolutely. Like if you can play with that, Ryan, as long as they don't get bad news, though. Like if Mullen decides to get bad news overnight and they do a split the next day, or you're screwed, right? So there goes PBLA retesting $1.20. Let's see if that thing can actually hold. Oh, it's dropping like a tomato rock on that candle. Do we have anything there? Kind of, kind of. Jeez, that thing is dropping. Profit taking into the close, 30 minutes. Making bad news sounds like someone spent 1 billion. Oh yeah, no, that dude is terrible. 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 Yep, rinse repeat. Like a cereal box. You know what? All this Mullen trash talk. Let me go look at Mullen. What's Mullen at? Mullen is at 11 pennies. Yup. I mean, on a day like today where like everything else is pumping and Mullen is red, you know it's trash. Absolute garbage. But then again, if you bought Mullen at 10 pennies, honestly, you're green for the day. So he's built like a cereal box. Oh my goodness, Ryan. Wow. Uh, just got scammed hard by Spy today. Oh, that's annoying, Jameson. That's very annoying. You puts and calls. Yeah. No wonder you hate the damn company. When I first started trading, I got burned. Yeah, yeah, Mullen is trash. Let's go. Did someone say BTC is pumping? No, we were just kind of talking about the potential upcoming catalyst. I know what you're in. I knew it. I knew it, Mark. I set an alert for BITX and it went off, but I didn't look because I was just getting back on stream. But that's a nice bounce for BTC off the 200. Yeah, Bitcoin is going up. What's BITX doing? Yeah, that's a nice little bounce. Testing the highs of the day, Mark. Testing the highs. Let me look at that 30 minute actually. Oh yeah. See the problem with this one, Mark, is yeah. So the problem with this one is unless you looked at the like at a new demand zone, that demand zone was perfect, but also happened in pre-market. So then you never got the alert when the market opened, right? But that was perfect. So look at that, a perfect, right? 30-minute demand zone. So these are gonna work really well, Mark. It's just again when you have rallies like these ones, you might not get an alert for a day or 2 days, but then when it comes back down to that level, beautiful, right? You know what's interesting is we can go like down, down, and like the 30 minute. Look at that, 30 minute demand zones. But oh yeah, you got it. Okay, very nice. Okay, yeah, look at that, right? 30 minute demand zone, 30 minute demand zone. So 30 minute demand zones, beautiful, beautiful, Mark. Very nice. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then what's Tesla doing here? Tesla broke below that. Tesla broke down there, which is a little bit annoying because the next one is a bit lower, closer to 251.50 to 251, right? So it's yeah, a little bit annoying on that one there. But again, that 253 level is almost like a magnet. We're 30 cents away from it, right? So it could easily bounce from that level, bounce back to that level. You know what I like about this as a warning is I think I mentioned this one earlier, right? When that thing closed below the 9 EMA right there, that was a problem, right? On any time frame, like on any time frame you're watching, if that stock closes below the 9 EMA and it's staying below it, you have a bit of a problem. And Tesla's done that all day, right? It's constantly failed below the blue line, right? Failed. Like it's broken above, but it's closed every candle below the blue line. Every single damn candle for Tesla today. Well, except for like the first part when we had these one, two, three, four, five candles at the open, right? So, but after that, right? So that's when I started short. Beautiful, yeah, 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 beautiful. There you go. And then just the complete opposite, right? Where you have on TSLS, right? You have the first few candles that close below the blue line, below the 9. But then after that, look at every candle on the Tesla short ETF, right? Every candle is on the 30 minute, beautiful. Every candle has been above the blue line. Every single candle has been above the blue line, right? Nice uptrend. So that's good. Beautiful. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So that's the Mark. That's the beauty of like like the knowledge itself, right? So and yeah, nah, beautiful. Let me see. What's the S&P doing actually? SPY. It's always annoying when Tesla's going down when the S&P is going up, right? SPY's been trending up all day today on the 30 minute. Tesla, not so much. Right, so that's why playing the technicals, playing the charts itself is really important, right? All about the technicals, all about the technicals, because you could look at the S&P and you can say, oh my goodness, Tesla is going to pump. Nope, Tesla doesn't have to pump, and Tesla has warning signs, right? So Tesla has warning signs. This double bottom, though, triple bottom for Neo at $7 was perfection. My goodness, I think I had one of these sessions, one of the goat sessions with Lynn. And Lynn goes, like I'm holding Neo. What do we want to set a stop loss at? We set a stop loss at $6.99. I think the lowest Neo win was $7.03. It was close, wasn't it? But again, that's the beauty of support, right? From $7 all the way to where we're at now. So resistance for Neo at $8.50. So it's going to need to break above that level and stay above. Stay above. I think so. We have earnings this week for FedEx, right? So FedEx is really the only name that is. One second, let me pull up the calendar. I thought there was something else on the calendar. So FedEx is really the only thing on there. Yeah, no, there's really nothing else. Okay, cool. Yeah, no, FedEx has been good. These are daily candles, by the way. FedEx has been very good. Straight up. Straight up. Well, it's been doing this for the last week, though. 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So FedEx. Nike's on Thursday. Oh yeah. Okay, let me see here. Um, so Nike's on Thursday after the market closes. Yep. CCL is also on Thursday. Carnival before the market opens. So CCL might be another one to watch. And then Fuel Cell reports tomorrow morning, which I so Fuel Cell tomorrow morning, FedEx tomorrow after the market closes. There's a whole bunch more we don't really care about. General Mills Wednesday morning, Micron, BlackBerry Wednesday evening, Carnival, Cintas Thursday morning, Nike after the close on Thursday. What's the deal on Shim? Shim? Shim the stock? That seems like a brand new IPO. Yeah, it's a new IPO. 22,000 shares. So there's not a whole lot there. Virus. I mean, but it's been doing a good job holding $6 though, so that's good, right? It's been holding $6, so that could be something you look at with a tight stop loss. With stuff like this, what I like to do is just set an alert for like a retest of the highs. So I'm gonna do that right now. Actually, set an alert. If it ever gets back up there, then I know it's high, but still. Oh, maybe I should set another alert. Maybe I should set two alerts actually. See if that thing ever breaks above 640 and stays above it. Uh, Not the 30 on the 15 minute. Okay, sounds good, Mark. Yeah. Yeah. Tesla. Yeah, Tesla struggled today. But then again, I don't think we should be surprised with Tesla struggling. Like if Tesla isn't able to stay above 255, then it wants to dip. 255 was an important level. An important level. Let's see. Yeah, it just hit that demand zone mark on the 15 minute. Yep. Yep. Dang. Dang. Maybe we see 251 then. Interesting. Is that the same one with the name that has earnings on Thursday? Shim? I don't think so. Shimmick. No, I don't think so. Tuesday. No, I don't think so. Oh wow, yeah. You know what? It's the same spelling. It's the same everything, isn't it? I think it is virus. Let me pull up the website. Let me pull up the website. Look at the logo. It might be the same. Okay. Well, they don't even give us a damn thing. Shimmick Corp. Yeah, it's the same. That's the if you look on the earnings thing, that's the same logo they have. That's the same logo on the earnings calendar. Same company. They have a cool website. The bottom of the wick must have touched 21 251.50 because it is set interesting. Yeah, I think it did. Tesla. Yeah, I think it did. Uh, yeah, it hit 251.36 mark, so it touched it. It touched it. Yeah, so that was the next demand zone we talked about, right? So yep. Schmuck. A schmuck. Nope. Lynn says one of nah nah. No, no, that's a good. That's maybe I should do that actually. Edit. No. So Monday. La, 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 so Monday. Okay, cool. Calendar. Copy. Perfect. That's a chunk. Okay. Schmuck. Rivian, you're long Rivian. You're holding $20 calls. Did you take that demand zone or did you just play with the other one? Did you just play with the other one, Mark, or just 53, or did you play with 50, 5150? We have a new member, guys. Let's go. Paper Chase. I like the name. I like the name. Chase, welcome to the community. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah. Yeah, Pablo, it has been. It's been fun. It's actually been a more chaotic day than I expected. There's been a lot of good names today, right? There've been a lot of good names. ZVSA, PBLA, few scalpies, ICCT has actually done well. It looks like it's trying to break out again, which is good. If you can stay above it. Anyways, Paper Chase, welcome to the community. Welcome to Legends. Here is your invite. So click the link at the bottom of the chat and just follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. Alrighty. I hope the rest of the week is like this, where we have a few interesting names going into the holidays, right? And then maybe slow on Friday. Still not sure if we're gonna stream on Friday. We'll see. We shall see. Unless you guys are all going away on holidays, and then there's no need, And then the market is closed on Monday. I'm not sure how busy Tuesday is gonna be, so we shall see. Come on now. Friday is sleep-in day. Yeah, I don't really do the sleeping in, so yeah, yeah. Welcome. Yeah, so virus, what I need to do is I need to cut those videos, like the little so the different points, and then do that for TikTok or something. Virus seems like a lot of work, but speak for yourself. I know, Pablo. Yeah, I'm terrible at sleeping. I wake up at 6 a.m. I do wake up at 6 a.m. Message me at 6 a.m. If I don't respond, it's because I'm ignoring you. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. You said what? He's not kidding. It is strong with this one. I'm joking, guys. I wasn't meant to say that. I wasn't meant to say that out loud. But it's true. It's true. Especially if you message me on the weekend. But especially if you message me about a stock, like on a Saturday at 6 a.m. in the morning, I'm not gonna respond to you. I'm just gonna ignore you. People do that all the time. They're like, Blaze, what do you think? I'm like, you do know it's Saturday, right? At 6 a.m. in the morning. So don't message me about stocks. You can post it though in Stock General, and I'll answer for sure. And you'll ignore the DM. No, I will not. I respond all the time. All the time. I respond. Rubbish. Go to the abyss for his attitude. I know my team is struggling. La, la, la. Anyways, yeah. So Chase, click the link and then just follow the steps. I don't think you've clicked on the link yet, so make sure you click that link already and follow the steps in Discord. I was hoping for like one more push on something, but everything except for ICCT, everything else looks very slow. Everything else looks really slow. Yeah, Tesla's had a bit of a bounce off that demand zone, so that's good, at least for now. See, the issue with like stocks that are obviously trending down like this is, yeah, we get these little bounces off a demand zone, but if the trend is going down, then we have a problem because it's more likely that it breaks below again, right? So hopefully not, but that's why you want to look at the bigger time frames. Struggling. Yep. Anybody planning on holding anything overnight? Anybody holding anything overnight? Pablo's holding his wife. Virus is holding these. Um, and these days, Dan is holding the mouse to click on the damn futures. Anyways, IVVD. That's a nice little pop. Almost, it looks like an inverse head and shoulder, doesn't it, Pepe? Inverse head and shoulder break above the 200 EMA. That's actually a nice break. I like that. Right, so 200 EMA fail, 200 fail, 200 fail, boom ski breakout. Nice. You be holding some BITX? Okay. Yeah, that's not a bad idea, Mark. Especially with your entry and the way it's performing going into I think this is perfect, right? Crypto is still low enough that if it gaps up overnight, you're going to be very happy. And this thing has been pushing nicely, trending higher, right? I do like the low, the higher low, the higher low. I do like the nice uptrend you have going there, even though that's like the most crooked line you've ever seen. But you know what I mean, right? So it's a nice little uptrend, right? So BITX. Interesting. SXTP. we'll be holding cookies. Mm, probably. Probably. Hmm. It's really not a whole lot there, is it? But it is consolidating. There's all this spam for GMBL, but yeah, you can watch it if you want to. But some of these micro penny stocks, I just want to stay away from them. Nah, 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 nah. Day and nights, day or nights. Some contracts sell them and make monies without having to hold them. Exactly, Dan. Oracle, Oracle. ZVSA looks nice. It's going back for the highs. So watch that $1.15 level. Tesla is still trading up, which is better. Oracle. Puts on what? On Oracle? Puts. Sheesh. I would have been oh my goodness, dang. Look at that demand zone test mark. Um, Beautiful double bottom, right? Bottom one, bottom two, and green day today. Beautiful. The reason why that demand zone stayed there is because we closed in the demand zone, right? Even though we pushed candles below, we still found a way to close the candles in the demand zone, which is good. Right? So for Oracle, your next resistance is 106 virus. 106 to 106.30. Give it time. Yeah, 106 to 106.30 is your next resistance there at the 200 on the daily and the 9. Trading with emotions. Go watch that video again, virus, please. Please go watch it again. Please and thank you. You know what I need to do? I need to move the time up for the video to go. Well, no, we'll leave it the way it is. Puts are for losers. ICCT is unable to really break above this resistance and stay above it. So, yash, yash, yash. BTC that I would outperform them. Trading BTC futures, Mark, and our dinner with is tomorrow night. I'll be let's go. Big tip coming to Robert for let's go. Beautiful. Yes, Mark. Yes, crush these guys. These guys are missing a key tool, right? These guys don't know that. These guys don't know what you're playing with. So absolutely. And Rob is Rob. I'm sure Rob is excited for the tip, Mark. I'm sure he is. Hey, yo, Peter, how are you? Peter is now playing futures as well. Futures. PBLA is still dipping. Nothing to see. Right? People are just locking in their profits going into the end of the day. I don't think that should be a big surprise. Not a massive surprise. Na, 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 na. Nicola, 4 years in prison for defrauding investors in Nicola. Wow. A judge has sentenced Trevor Milton on Monday to 4 years in prison for defrauding investors in Nikola, the electric truck company he founded. So he founded a company, he scammed people, and then now he's been sent to jail. Oh my goodness, Nikola. Really? See, we knew Nikola was trash. No wonder the damn truck could not go uphill. Shim just sent an alert. Why is Shim going off? because of the damn earnings, isn't it? Shim. They wanted to give him 11 years, so now they're sending these CEOs to jail. Oh wow, dang. Hmm. Well, I mean, they might as well start sending Adam Aaron and Mullen CEO and all these other people to jail. All of them. Because, but then I think the difference is these guys are raising money through like offerings, which is maybe like acceptable. Whereas the other guy is just a straight criminal. Jail, 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 jail. Yeah, yeah. No, Mark. Rob is still working on the demand zones. For some reason, it wasn't executing as it should have. So Mullen is next. Yep, yep. Actually, you know what? You know what? You're right. Mullen is next, isn't it? I've never seen a Mullen on the road. So at least AMC has theaters, and you can go watch a movie. Who's ever been in a Mullen? Market just closed. So these guys better be they better put out a fake vehicle on the road, even if it's cardboard, because that's technically fraud. I mean, they do say they've been selling vehicles though, so I guess that's something, but whatever. So market is closed, guys. It looks like the S&P closed at 427, which isn't too bad. Tesla closed at. You did? You saw many Mullen models. Oh yes. Tesla closed above 252, so let's see what happens tomorrow then. They're closing in like weird ranges. BITX, where did we close at? Okay, closed pretty damn strong actually, right? Nice. Nice consistent candles all the way up all day. So yeah, that's good. Anything moving after hours yet? Not that I see. Not that I see. Uh, I'm just looking. No news yet. So yeah, see, but we're gonna hang on for a few minutes, guys. See if something shows up, and if nothing shows up, then that's okay too. Yeah. Again, don't forget to hit the like, guys. Again, I know you're hitting the like for the second time today, but I would appreciate that. Oh no, let's not do that, please. I hate when people let me so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Alrighty, Mark. Have a wonderful evening. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Yes. Z J or L? No, that thing is down. That thing is down. I think it's down 46% after hours. What the hell happened? Wait. I hear that English guy is back. Let's go, Mark. It's because on that note, Mark, it's because you've been too busy scalping these large caps, So I hear that English guy is back. Let me not say anything that would incriminate Mark. So you better run, run before I tell your wife about his monies. Already. Blue offering? Oh wow, really? I thought those guys had an FDA approval coming. Leftover, let us over, let us. I know. ZJYL. It's down 50% after hours. It's down $260. That thing got slapped. No, something else happened though with the stock. Does this say 11 to 500? No, that seems like a glitch. On my end, I see. Let me look at the daily. Something else has gone on. Wait, so how did it go from $20 to $500 and then minus 50% after hours? And how did we not see that? That doesn't seem right. That doesn't seem right at all. 180%? But TradingView shows that it's up 1700%. So I bet you something fishy went on. There's no way that everybody missed this stock until now. No way. Okay, let me search this actually. ZJ. La, 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 la. I think that thing was halted for the longest time. See, I think that thing was halted at uh so if I look at the halt scanner, yeah, see, you see what I mean? Like it was halted. It was halted the entire day at $25, according to the scanner. But then somehow, magically went to what? $500? That seems like a big scam. It's up 3,000%. Yeah, maybe a split, but not updated. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. Why would you split to that price though? Yeah, it said halted at $25 earlier today, and just never, and then ended the day somehow at like $500. Wow. Anyways, moving on. It's crashing though, so SFWL 44% bounce. Uh, so ALDX had news, TFFP had news, and then so NXU also has news. So maybe Musty can celebrate. Nothing. Yeah, I think so too. No, that thing did not move when the market was open. With with no hours, Dan, seriously. So maybe we should. Let me look. So TFFP. A bit of a bounce. Nothing special. La 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 la. So below. Sus. After hours and bounced. Something seems fishy, doesn't it? With all these tickers. Very fishy. La 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 la. La 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 la. Let me see. I'm just looking for the there's a video going live in 40, 50 minutes, 50 minutes. So I'm gonna get you guys a link, and then you can save the link. You can come back in 50 minutes, 50 minutes, and watch. Yeah, virus. Yeah, right. Isn't that crazy? I mean, I would never remember the damn thing. YJ. Yeah. See, I think what happened is this thing was halted at $25 because it was all day long, no trades, zero. Look at this day, guys. Look at this. Right? Nothing happened. Nothing happened all day today. Like these candles, this is today. So we were actually selling off, right? So I bet you something happened. The stock went from $29 to 20 to 16. Nobody was paying attention to this damn stock. And then it halted at some point. It opened the last minute open, and then boom skis after hours. Even though TradingView is saying it's down $300 or $200, I think it's actually the opposite. This thing did nothing all day today except for the very end, and then after hours. That's crazy. You could have. There's no way of knowing that though. I mean, if you're holding this thing is because you're extremely lucky. Because when this thing is crashing all day, no one's buying it. Seems legit. Yep. That's cool though. Imagine being in this stock, like instantly rich. Can you imagine holding a stock at $20, $25, $16, $11 to $300? Oh my goodness. 11 to $300 just like that. Yeah, Dan. Yeah, 1 point something million or something. I'll be thinking about everything I could have made as well. Yeah. The only indication would have been to look at the hot scanner in Discord, because the hot scanners posted that at 25 or something. So then I don't know when it unhalted, whether that was the last candle or a few candles or. La, 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 la. Hmm. That's weird though, isn't it? Dang. Yeah, Oksana, probably. Probably. Like it was halted all day long. All day halted. It actually went from 29 to $11. Like it was halted and it was going down. And then boom skis, $300. So there was no way to catch this thing. Zero. The only way you could have caught this thing was if you're from the village. Uh, Anne Marie, oh my goodness. Yeah, Nicola's rubbish. Nicola's one of those rubbish companies. We were talking about Mullen a while ago, and someone sent a video. Someone sent a video of like the Mullins and not the Mullins. See, I called them anyways. Nicola, right? So Nicola truck. Um, like the truck was being pushed up, rolling downhill. So they did a video. This video, right? I think this is the video. So the damn thing has no engine. The damn thing has no engine. I hope I don't get it. Okay, I'm gonna get an ad. There's no engine. The damn thing is rolling downhill. Can't catch. So from that day on, absolutely knew this thing. Look, that thing looks like it's moving pretty damn fast, doesn't it? But apparently they were rolling it downhill. Hey, at least they have a body. At least the thing has a body. At least they have a body. So look at that, right? Billionaire founder of electric truck firm is found guilty of fraud after inflating value of the firm to 34 billion. Um, so that's the guy that's going to jail, isn't it? Yep, going to jail for 4 years. Can you imagine like making a truck? The company is worth $34 billion. The damn thing doesn't even drive though. I mean, go find a different engine. Just put it inside. Go find a different engine. Yeah, Dan. Yeah. It closed at 101. It's now at 216. That's crazy, buddy. That's crazy. We can use that. Interesting. PBLA. It's trying to, isn't it? Yeah. The one good thing about PBLA is that it stayed above a dollar, right? Like if you look earlier today, look at those circles at the bottom. We keep bouncing off a dollar for PBLA. So, Anne Marie, which was a nice trade, by the way. Congratulations. But then we came back to the same level and bounced again. So yeah, looks good. Your next resistance there though is at 130. So 130. So at this point, $1 is nice. But if you're not in already, I that thing would have to break above $1.30 first. Yeah, Mohammed. Yeah, it's been a nice level. Yeah, it's up 30%, almost 30% after hours. Yeah, fire, fire. So congratulations, congratulations. Na 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 na. $1.30. Yeah, is that thing moving still? Let me take a look. No, it's at $200 now, so it looks like it's slowly trending down. Maybe it's gonna be something to play with tomorrow, right? Anyways, again, CI, don't forget to smash the like, guys. For the second time, yes. And in 43 minutes or something like that, there should be a new video out. That video talks about how to set stop losses. So if you're not sure on how to like set a stop loss on an investment, a swing play, a momentum play, the only thing we didn't talk about was trailing stop losses, which is something you can use as well. We just spent too much. We were there for 40 minutes already, so we kind of had to, so, but again, so that's the link to the video that's coming out in 45 minutes. So you can watch it later already. And hopefully that helps. How to set stop losses. How to set a stop loss. So if you're always feeling like, oh my goodness, but my stop loss hits again. 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 So Captain is flexing again with the signals. Flexing. OPXXS. Cool. La, 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 la. Let's go. You 60 cents, and then you ran to futures. Everybody's running to futures. Everybody's running to futures. What is going on? Oh my goodness. Like in the past we had we had like the mid caps, small caps, the momentum players, the swing players. And then we had the futures channel, and then we had the options channel, and then we had now it's momentum and it's futures. And then obviously have people, you know. Uh, I followed that. Yes, yes, yes. Shim, get rid of that. 77%. That's nice. But I don't have a future. No, that's not what it is, Musty. Not too far behind. Oh my goodness. Virus is now going to. Yeah, no, futures are good. Futures are fun. La, 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 la. Futures are fun. Yes, yes. Yes, and then Joe's gone too. Yeah, Bitcoin is pumping. Yeah, that's perfect actually. Yeah, Bitcoin is pumping. So, what's interesting? We talked about BITX and Bitcoin sitting at the lows and potentially running after hours. Yeah, it's going already, so that's good. So if you're holding anything crypto, you're most likely very happy. What's after futures? We come back around. It's going to be options and futures, options and futures, options and futures virus. Right? Large caps are always going to be here. Momentum plays are always going to be here. You guys are going to rotate between futures and options. The best. That was yep. It's not them, it's you. Wow. No, 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 no. It's not them, it's you. Anyways. Anyways. I think that's still scheduled. Yeah. Scheduled. Any last questions, guys? 2 more minutes, 3 more minutes. Let me know if you have any last questions, and then we're gonna hop off. Hmm. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let's see. About the Amazon. Oh yeah, let me go take a look. Okay, stock Twitter news from this morning. You said, was it from this morning? I think so, right? Uh, I bet you there's nothing to see. Yeah, Dave. Yeah, this morning. Yeah, I bet you there's nothing to see. If there was something to see, I bet you that stock would be exploding, and no way we miss it. No way we miss it. Yeah. Uh, yeah, I don't see anything. Yeah, if there was something, I think we would our stock would be crushing it. Clouds, congratulations, good job, Dan. Have a wonderful evening. See you tomorrow after the to learn futures trade copier. Yeah. So yeah, see that's the thing with futures too is so we were doing futures with Lynn, and she was live trading with so Lynn has like 20 future accounts, features, right? She has 20 accounts. And so she's trading with one account, but then that account copies all the rest to copies the same trade to the other accounts. So then she has to be very careful, right? So we were live trading, and she made $1,000 on one account, but there wasn't $1,000, was it? It was multiplied by the other 20, right? So $20,000, yeah, on that futures thing there. Hey, Mullen is off 5% after hours. LQR, Liquor House. Does it have more upside? Let's see what happens tomorrow, James. Na, 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 na. Maybe in the new year, or maybe over the holidays, guys. So maybe over the holidays. Over the holidays. Ryan, yep, exactly. ICCT, PBLA still green. PBLA still needs to break above $1.30, but that thing looks good though, doesn't it? Nice, very nice. Alrighty, guys, we will leave it here for today. Have a wonderful evening. Again, smash a like before you leave, please and thank you. If you have any questions, let us know in Discord and Stock General or the Futures channel or the Options channel. If you have any questions, ask. Alrighty. Don't forget to smash a like, hit that subscribe. If you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom there from Nightbots. Become a member. Come join us in Discord. Send me an email if you do become a member and you need a link. Send me an email. Email is at the top there. Other than that, I will catch you guys in Discord and tomorrow. Alrighty, all. Virus. Peace. Yes, yes, yes. Alrighty, guys. Be safe and dangerous. Bye, all. Bye, guys.